Hello and welcome to my jewelry land. Today I want to show you sun signet rings because sun is shining here in Norway and I was thinking to show you some of my sun symbols. Here we have this one, gold plated stainless steel, highly coated, and it holds the color. You can wash, take shower, it doesn't fade, it has guarantee. The gold one for 2 years. The main color is steel color, silver color, which is holding the color forever. And I have made it in different sizes. This is unisex. It's for both for girls and boys. Ladies and gentlemen, it's so beautiful. You can make it couple rings. I have from size 3 to size 10. Here you can see more in detail. You see, it's classy. It fits with different type of style, casual, classy, and yes, check it out on my website. You can figure it out, everything, details, prices, and you can even return it if you choose the wrong size. We have this cute face of sun. Can you see the face in gold color? And this one is in silver one. This is actually in a very reasonable price right now on my website. Is on sale. You can check the outlet on my website and you see the prices. I have also these cute ones, minimal style. I don't have so many, it's the only these two I have in my collection. Can you see the sign? These are silver and gold plated. Comment below for me which sun ring is your most favorite one. Next time I'm going to show you another design of my huge collection. Till next time, so much love is always here.